How to change language on OKX Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can change language on OKX Wallet. So if you are also wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up, and you should also be able to change your language on OKX Wallet. So first of all, go ahead and download the OKX Wallet application onto your device, and if you have already downloaded it, you can just go ahead and open it up on your device. Once you open it up, you will be seeing a login page. So if you have not logged in, you can go ahead and log in using your login credentials. Otherwise, even if you are not logged in, you can easily change the language. So in order to change it, at the top left corner of your screen, even if you're logged in or not, you can tap and you can find a box icon at the top right left of your screen with dot dot dot. So you can just go ahead and click on this cube made up dot. So you can just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be finding the space right here. So in order to change languages, you're going to go and look out for this gear icon, which is preference as written over here. You can go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can easily find the option called language here. So you can just go ahead and click on it. And when you go ahead and click on it, you will be finding different languages available here. So you can just switch up to the language that you're convenient, whichever is convenient for you. You can just go ahead and switch it up to that. So for example, let me choose Vietnamese for now. And when you tap on it, your language will be changed. The changes may be applied after a few seconds, so just wait for it. So that is how you can change up the language on OKX Wallet, which is super easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.